Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Thank you for joining me for the next installment of A Day. Let's see. This one is going to be next. These, well, let me put it like this. I got these two dies from Miss Lisa Goss, the Happy Crafter. And I don't know if they're in her shop or not, or will be back in her shop. These are maybe a year or two old. So you can visit her YouTube, and I'll put the link to her YouTube page in the description box, so you guys can ask her if she's going to bring these back or whatever. But this one is going to be the first one. This one right here is the easiest, because it'll fit through this thing. And it has these pieces right here. This one is going to be a little bit more challenging for me, because this is longer than that platform right there. I do, however, have this thing, but I think I'm missing a plate, one of the sandwich piece thingies, or whatever you want to call it. I got this thing, and it is long enough, as you can see, but I only have one of these, as opposed to having two. And I got this stuff, and you know, this thing here, I got all this stuff and this thing, but I'm missing that clear plate. So I need to figure out what to do, or maybe I can order it or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. I'll figure it out. But I do want to use that. I may just have to put these two of these white platforms right here, put two together, because I do have two, and then maybe use that top piece or something. I'll figure it out. But we're gonna do this one second after I figure it out. We're gonna do this one first, and it's a box. It's really cute. Miss Lisa Goss did her thing with this one. I love it. And let's get to it. Boom. Let's open it. That's sad, I've never opened it. I cut these two out at 5 3/4 inches wide for two of them, so I can have one for the front and one for the back. Let's go ahead on and get this in, get this cut out, and then we're going to cut these pieces. Perfect. That's one. Let's do the other. Okay. Another perfect cut. Now let's see if we can't get these pieces cut. I think I'm going to need two of these. So, yep, that'll fit for both. And then I just need another piece for these pieces right here. So I can use these over here. So let me go ahead on and get this cut twice. I think it needs to be cut. If it doesn't need to be cut twice, I won't know about it. I'm just going to tear this off like this. Let's get this cut. I may just go ahead on and do one for myself and put it together. How about that? I think I'll do that. perfect cut. Perfect. We'll do one more. Another perfect cut. Look at there. Easy, easy. Great dies, Lisa. And let's take one of these and cut this out. Let's take the bowls out first. I wish I had I got some wire cutters somewhere. And of course you know I can't find them right now. I don't know where they are. And I don't want to damage this. So give me a minute. Okay, got those taken care of. Let me put this over here out the way. And we are just going to cut these out real fast. Okay. Again, perfect. Ghosty bow. I think that's supposed to be her mouth. I can't keep up with my pokey twos like this. And here we go. So let me take these and put them the detail, the stitching detail is awesome. And that's the ghost part. I hope it's focusing so you guys can see it. And this is the box portion right here. Two of the same pieces. And this is the layering piece. Two of the same pieces. Alright guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs hey up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Great day, Lisa. Bye bye guys.